fun, we have a special treat. We got an OG rider with us today. I have noticed that all my friends at work have nicknames in reference to relationships. So we have Cousin Connor. Uncle Rob has gym time today, so he took off an hour early. But we have Cousin Connor and Daddy Matt. Daddy Matt is a mechanic like Connor here at Chief Joseph Dam / crane operator. Matt was the individual who helped, well, really helped, that's hilarious. He rebuilt by himself, basically. I helped a little bit here and there where I could, but he taught me most of everything I know about working on Harley Davidsons. He helped me fix up my 2007 Sportster. So yeah, that's Daddy Matt right there on the Twisted Cherry Street Glide Special with the Milwaukee 8 motor. I definitely miss riding with Matt. We used to ride with Matt a lot, but we don't get to ride with Matt very much anymore. Maybe one day. Maybe one day again we will. So it just kind of makes days like this special, even more so when Daddy Matt rides to work and we all leave at the same time. See that staggered formation like I talked about in a previous video? That allows Matt to come in to lane position 2 or lane position 1 if we stagger. Now, if I was right next to Matt, I would have had to have braked pretty hard to allow him to come over for that stupid ass truck. Doesn't know how to turn. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up. Don't got really much to discuss in today's ride home. So I'm gonna listen to some music, but I'll keep the camera on, get some nice footage of Cousin Connor and Daddy Matt. So enjoy.